Hello viewers, welcome back to another video of Vroid. In this video, we'll be showing you a small difference that is being done on Vroid. I'm gonna show the latest changes. It's not that noticeable, but if you look around, you can actually see it. Although one of the best comparisons that you can actually make is if you have Vroid version 10.3 and now you have Vroid version 12.0, you're gonna see it, and it's a lot. So you'll be seeing it in the body editor tab on the texture. Whenever it feels like taking the command, there we go. Okay, so normally we'll be having, your character, the default image, and the canvas to say something that will make a lot of sense, or the texture. Anyway, let's go all the way over here, and here is where you see the difference. Especially this one. This is actually new, and I haven't seen it so far, but this is kind of unexpected from him. Why? Simple. I'll just trace a simple line. Where you should have it much more detail. Let me see. It usually depended a lot on the type of brightness that it had. For some reason, in this dark color, you can actually see it. I'll try to recreate it. Now, let's see if this goes. There we go. If you're not that focused, it's kinda easy to miss it. Let me see if I can retry. Nope. Not like that. Hey. You stop doing that. Okay, let me see if it goes. It's just that they told you to do that. Knock it off. It's just in for a fraction of a second. It's like you actually see kind of darken. Anywho, in here there's this wide variety of layers, and boy, is it a lot. This is new luminosity. I still don't know when does this effects come to play? So I might need a little time to understand this, because I know if it goes like on VR chat, some effects come into play over there, so this might be part of those features. Also, you actually didn't notice some of the characters, what can I say, their original design has been more shaped and more defined. Sometimes you might actually miss it. Let's see. I'm not sure there was something else. It's just that there was if I'm correct, there was a slight change on the clothing, but it was not that significant. This is something you're gonna need some time to check it out. Oh yeah, and there's this. Rainbow shading, rim light, eye explosion. Still, this is more like the outline. Oh yeah, it says it over here, outline. My bad. But they actually made it more concentrated. If you actually notice, at least on this character's outline, I'm gonna be playing with the width of the outline. See that it darkens? If I maxed it out, if I shorten it, it's just the same. So this is kind of new, so they haven't actually made it so detailed like this. And the camera / border, they have made big changes. So over here, the bump reduction, and if you hit export, it should be here, where it says the name and the order are required for VRM. This hasn't appeared before. This actually, I think it's a little bit more defined. I'm not that sure about that one. And still a little bit of a copyright. Wish I'm gonna make a video out of it soon. Just need to find the proper content for it. You understand? So there's the capture size, and they actually added the post effect. This is actually to make it look like this. I'm not that clear to what specifically, if it's just only for posing, or is it supposed to be like making me go dance, a 3D animation. That's a little bit of a should I say. So in here, see that I increased the intensity, made it intense. You'll notice here on the hands that are way too blurry. If I place direction, it's gonna be even more noticeable. You're fine, this is just the effects of it. So when I hit 0, it should restore everything to normal. See? The one has been there, the lighting as well. Need a facial inspection. Yeah, it's been there. Although I noticed that on the fang, if you actually max it out, you don't actually see the fang. That's a little bit disappointing. I guess that's supposed to be it. It was way different in the earlier version. It used to be, tooth color and would actually stand out. And also, that's on the facial expression. And you just go all the way down here where you see tooth. There, above it, you should be seeing like the so-called skin, the fang. Now, if I do this right, you should be seeing some fangs around here. But what makes it weirder is that you don't see anything. There is something going on over here in the center. But I don't know what is going on. I'll just change it to vocal. Okay, now I see what's going on. Huh. So that's what it does. Ironic. I didn't made it before Halloween. And of course doing this video on Christmas, yeah. It's gonna be some joys and some fa-la-la. Okay, so what are you doing? Okay, so here in the upper fang, let's just call it that, where it says the skin, it's actually making it more visible to everyone. But if you actually remove it, you won't notice until you open your mouth. Seriously. So you can actually make a Dracula type of character. Or just go crazy with it. So that's why I didn't saw it in the first time. So, if you want to make sure that your character has teeth, make sure that you have the O expression maxed out. That way, the character will open their mouth and you can actually see what's going on inside. Because from here, you barely see anything. A few months ago, I should say maybe 6 to 7 months ago, I actually found one of the developers from Vroid. They actually found a few people that actually make commissions, on their own. And they actually asked us to, our personal opinion. One of the things that I actually told them is to make like at least how do they call it, the one-piece swimsuit. Just actually do it for both genders. It's kind of ironic because when you go